Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huninga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for SBI, State Bank of India stock. SBIN is the ticker name of the stock. Okay, what you are seeing right now is a monthly chart of SBIN and along with a few technical indicators. Okay, before we do the technical analysis, we look at the price trend history of this stock. Uh, I have data here since 2013 until 2017 October 29th, and the thing is like this. In 2013, this particular stock was trading at 256 rupees 90 paise, and after that it went down, and again it peaked up. That was the highest peak it has reached, it seems. Yeah, that was and this happened in 2015, and at that time it was trading at 339 rupees 56 price. And after that, it went down. It hit its bottom, and it was trading at half of that price. What half of its peak price? 148 rupees 66 price, and after that, there is a straight up. After since February 2016 until oh god, May 2017, nearly 1.5 year, continuously rising, and it hit its recent peak 314 price 14, and after that it went sideways now, and after that it is going down, and again a sudden spike. Okay, this is the price trend history of this particular stock. Actually, I would like to tell whoever is new to this particular industry, new to this investment, new to the stock market, new to this banking sector, new to this State Bank of Indian stock. I want to inform them a few things. I want to bring you up to the speed, by giving you some information. What do you think? Why this sudden green candle has formed here? Why this sudden spike in this in SBI this thing stock? What happened? I tell you. Recently, Indian government has has announced a huge package for this nationalized banks, because most of the nationalized banks are suffering with non-performing assets because of the bad loans that they had given, and which they are unable to collect it from the from people whom they had given. Okay, and those bad loans are running into some lakhs of crores or something like that. Okay, now what happened? All the banks went down, and suddenly this government has come up. The current Indian government has come up with a huge package that boosts this nationalist bank, purses and coffers. That's what I can say, and make them run their business again. That's what happened. So on that particular day, this boost has happened, and all the national banks have increased. The stocks of all national banks, the prices of stocks of all national banks have increased, and this particular candle has formed on that particular day. Okay, there is a huge boost. Okay, and actually, where it started in 258, and it went up to 311, and nearly to 60 and 40 and 51 rupees that day it has rose. But the point is this trend going to continue? That means no. Okay, now you may realize that now the banks got the money, now they will do the business, and they will make profits. So is this the right time to invest in the stock? So my sincere answer is no. No. Why? Because particularly I am talking about this particular stock, State Bank of India. At this moment, you are the answer is no. Why? Because this particular stock is, though there is a boost, though there is everything necessary for for the bank to run its business, but when it comes to the stock market, when it comes to the stock price, at this moment this particular bank stock is not for the long term investment. Why? Because the trend, when it comes to the technical, as per the technical analysis, the trend is going down. The stock of the bank is no matter whatever is the boost, the trend of the stock, the price of the stock is about to go down in the next coming few days. So this is like artificial boost. Okay, that's what I can say. This is like an artificial boost, and unless I see a significant trend in opposite direction, that means in the positive direction, I cannot recommend that this particular stock is for long term investment. Okay, so that is the thing. And right now this stock has crossed its 10-day moving average, and right now it is under the red color super trend influence, and it has crossed even its 50-day moving average, that is there. Okay, and look at the RSI. RSI is making an elevated pitch here, and it is about to hit the 80 line. Once it hits the 80 line, then we will see. Okay, now MACD is slowly making a divergence. The black line is on top of the red line, and the green color histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline, which is very good. MACD is like in a very positive mood about this, giving a positive indication about signal related to this bank. Look at the momentum. Momentum is also look at the tip of the line, momentum graph. It is making elevated position and it is looking in the upward direction, and it has crossed the zero line. It has crossed the zero line. The zero line is the baseline. Okay, it has crossed the zero line and is slightly making a slope. Okay, until I mean actually we want this trend to go further. Okay, that means the same upward trend, and the graph has to rise above the baseline, and it has to trade somewhere here. It has to play somewhere here. Then we can consider this stock. Okay, until then we cannot do. I mean, we cannot consider this stock for long term investment, though there is a huge boost from the Indian government. Okay, look at the ADX. Both lines are diverging. Green color and red line, green line and red line, and that means. It's in a positive mode, and ADX, the relative strength, direction strength of this particular stock is also up, and ADX is, I mean, on an initial glance itself, I'm thinking that both MACD and ADX are in sync with each other, and both are both are denoting some positive, giving positive signals about this particular stock. But look at the RSI and the momentum, though they are elevated, making elevated pitches here, but they are not. I mean, the strength is very low. The strength is very low. So that is what I am seeing here. And the super trend, I mean, right now the stock is under the red color super trend mode. So there are, I mean, what I'm seeing is like a mixed response from different indicators, and now I'm using my experience here. Based on my experience, this particular stock, I'm pretty sure for the next few days, we don't see a much big momentum in the price rise for this particular stock, and there is a possibility that this price of this stock, whatever is that it has achieved, in the recent thing, the recent boost, it may lose that particular thing also. So that means the stock is about to go down. That's what I think, and this stock is not for long-term investment at this moment. So we will revisit the stock after a few days, and let's see if there are any new changes that will come in the stock. Then we will consider that, and then we will make a decision. Until then, this stock is going down, and this is not good for long-term investment. That is the conclusion for this particular stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.